Grandmama said, go big or go home. Come on, let me try this. Little choke. Oh. Little fire. You want a pink motorcycle? Should we start working on your pink motorcycle? Hey, you want to ride your motorcycle?
Yes.
Yes? This one right here?
Yes.
You like it? You want to ride it? Okay, let's ride it. 1967 Honda CB 450. Black Bomber, about to go on its first ride. Guys, if you've been following this series, this is what this guy used to look like. A 1977 Kawasaki KZ 400. Hey, we got loads of fireworks. Keys on. Let's punch this button and see what happens. Choke is on. Oh, key on. Oh! Our 1974 Honda CB 750 with the Tracy body. A 1971 Kawasaki G4 100. And it's got a high-low gear problem. Feels a little, if it feels like it's gonna fall out, just pull a little bit more in it. This big guy goes in first. You've got two little keyways here, and it just slides on, locks into place. Now the great thing about this thing, and the thing we were working on today, and I didn't tell you guys much about, is it's a 5-speed transmission, but with this guy right here, makes it a 10-speed. A 1978 Yamaha XS650. (1962) Honda Sport 50. 1963, I believe, Honda Cub 50. A 1970 Honda CB 350. Let's see if we get some kind of life. Anything? Oh, yes. That's a good day. Let's try this. It's an even better day. Let's see if we can get some kind of... This thing is sparking. This thing will run. This thing is a carb clean away from running. I think I may have made a big mistake. Got fuel in it. 1967 Honda CL 125. Don't turn the key on. Lights. Let's try choking. Hey, it's... That's running. Oh, we got lights. Oh, that's it. We're gonna take it. I traded a bunch of mini trail parts for a 1971 or 70 Cushman Truckster. 1970 Honda CB350. Honda TL125. Not really sure what year it is. 1983 Yamaha Vision. Honda CA160. 1994 Honda EZ90. Okay guys, here we are after it's all back together, all the plastics cleaned up, everything. This sucker looks really good. Suzuki TS100. Turn this key on. You guys keep an eye out right there. Hey, I saw spark. Hey, I saw spark again. Oh, we can definitely count that. Is this thing running? Is it running? I think that may have counted. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. There you go. Let me squirt some more juice in here. We can get this sucker to come back to life. Whose idea was this? 1974 Kawasaki G4 100. These are cool little bikes. Yes. Oh, that's running. That's running. We can count that. That, ladies and gentlemen, is a runner. Nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Thankfully, nothing damaged. No damage. We got it out. Huh. But that's another one running. Okay, that was exciting. Get your heart rate up.